9285, squawk 0262.
Squawk 0262 for 9285. So I'm on with SoCal Approach. I need to get back to Long Beach fairly directly, so I'm going to pass through the Disney TFR that's over Anaheim again. This is going to be fun. Last time I made the command decision to cover Disney rather than Disney's California Adventure. You're not allowed to just sort of linger when you're flying through the Disney TFR, which is why you have to make a decision one way or another. But as long as we're flying back this direction...
Delta 09, turn right heading 100.
Let's check out DCA. Before we get too deep, let me quickly thank Surfshark VPN. Helicopter fuel is not cheap, so if you want to support the channel, check out Surfshark VPN. Here, let me tell you a little bit about it while I'm not flying a helicopter.
A virtual private network, or VPN, is a tool to protect your privacy online. Surfshark, this video sponsor, is a VPN that encrypts the data your phone or computer sends through the internet. Would you like to keep your photos, videos, passwords, and communications private? Then you should consider using Surfshark VPN. I would want those photos of me in that tank top and that wig getting out. And yes, I recognize the irony of pitching privacy software while observing you from a helicopter. You can also use Surfshark to virtually change the country you're accessing the internet from, unblocking content. That comes in handy if you're traveling abroad and want to access shows that are only available in your home country. Though right now, since most folks are stuck at home, a better use case is for accessing shows that are only available in other countries. For example, if I want to watch Rowan Atkinson's brilliant comedy series Blackadder, which is only available in the UK on my preferred streaming service, I can. And I have. Personally, I travel a fair bit, and when using Wi-Fi in sketchy locations, Surfshark VPN keeps your information safe. Yeah, most of my time spent in airports, but have you seen LAX? Filled with hackers. Use my code Micah to get 85% off plus 3 months free. Support Micah Flies. Check the link in the description below. Surfshark!
So thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Last time I flew through the Disney TFR, I flew over Angel Stadium. I'm now going to fly over the Honda Center. Not because I have any idea what kind of sports are played there, because I don't know anything about sports, but I did see the band Rush there once in honor of Neil Peart. You guys remember Neil Peart? Oh man, I'm so sad we lost him. Yeah, I've never seen more air drumming at a rock show than at Rush. Man, those fans love to air drum, and I don't blame them. I saw a guy playing the glow sticks with such passion. And there's the Honda Center. So I don't have a lot of call to come through this direction, but next time I do, maybe I'll hit the Crystal Cathedral, which is named something else now, but I know it is the Crystal Cathedral, so I'll just keep calling it that. Last time when I flew over Disneyland, it was such an incredible experience. I really viewed the TFR, this is a flight restriction around Disneyland, as being sort of this impenetrable thing. And it was neat to fly over. I can't tell you how cool it was to see the Millennium Falcon from above. If you haven't seen that video, I just put a thing in the upper right-hand corner that you can click to check it out. But it's so cool to see the park from above. Now I'm skewing right.
5172 Romeo, SoCal approach, John Wayne altimeter 2988, flighting of 180, vector around traffic inbound to John Wayne.
Okay. I was skewing a little bit far to the right there. Let's maintain a good side.
FedEx 387 Heavy, SoCal approach, turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 5,200.
Maintain right over the top of the Disney's California Adventure. Oh, there's a new thing. There's the Avengers Campus.
72 Romeo, turn right heading 190.
Wonder how that's coming
around
along.
Traffic, altimeter 2988.
Oh, Cars Land. Oh, dude, this is so cool. Okay, I'm going to climb up a little bit so we can get a really good view of it. Tower of Terror. I really, really like Cars Land, too. It's neat to see the backside of the facade there. Oh, that's so stupid cool. I love it.
Helicopter 285, contact Long Beach Tower 119.4.
Contact Long Beach 119.4. I really mumbled my words there, but I think I know what I was saying.
FedEx 387 Heavy, resume normal speed.
And that's it. A Disney flyover is always very, very quick. You're not allowed to linger.
FedEx 387 Heavy, descend and maintain.
You're not allowed to circle, but you are allowed to do a slow motion replay. While we're traveling west, I'm going to let the cameras roll. Had a special request over in Cypress, and so I'm going to see if I can honor that request. I know it's a cliched observation, but you get to see how many people in your neighborhood have pools when you fly like this. I'm currently right about 700 feet or so.
Air for runway 30.
Golf Test 09, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 30 for Golf Test 09.
November 657, extend downwind.
Extend downwind 657.
Long Beach Tower, 714, Alpha 2, Cypress, waiting Breakout.
Air 714, taking off Long Beach Tower, standby. Helicopter 285, make sure you're stopped at the runway 26 right, extended center line before you cross the 605.
We'll make sure we're south at that center line for 285.
6 Alpha Tango, taxi to Anchor 35.
6 Alpha Tango, turn left Foxtrot 3 or Foxtrot 4, contact ground.
Foxtrot 3, ground, 6 Alpha Tango.
Number 4 Tango Alpha, straight approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 4 Tango Alpha.
All right. We're going to come over...
Number 9 Tango Whiskey, extend downwind traffic, 5 mile fauna, runway 30, Gulfstream.
Extending downwind, 9 Tango Whiskey.
I'm crying a little bit. There's a lot of wind in my eyes. Okay, so...
Number 40 Bravo, contact ground.
40 Bravo, contact ground.
We're coming over Hawaiian Gardens. It's a place I've driven through.
Gulf Test 9, safe parking.
But perhaps more...
Test 9's going to the main Gulfstream ramp.
More interesting to me, this is Coyote Creek. Did you see my video for the LA River?
11 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound, 1,100. I think it's a sling.
Looking for the traffic, Gulf Test 9.
So I flew along the LA River, and at the end of that flight, there was an airplane, when I was in Long Beach's airspace, that had to put down in this river. It was amazing. I cannot imagine landing an airplane in that space. The pilot made it happen. It was really amazing. So if you're curious what that sounded like live while I was flying, go check out that video, my LA River video. Just looking at it just blows my mind. Very hazy. Ah, here we are, lined up. I see a bird. Diverting a little bit.
Number 657, turn base runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Base 26 right, clear for the option, 67657.
Hey, thank you so much for all the support of the channel. I really appreciate it. The first Disney video I did flying over was just really popular, and the comments were just so encouraging. So thank you for watching this one as well. We'll see you guys next time. Stay safe.